The following illustrations depict the control panels on the Ingenium LX. Unlike its counterpart, the Power Cube, RCDs have now changed to an analog system. In order to change the trip, you need to locate the top dial, then go in with a screwdriver and turn it to the right. Remember, the number 1 represents 1 amp, and so 0.5 would represent 500 milliampere. Turn to the desired tripping current. Now let's take a look at the lower dial. The lower dial is the trip time. Using the same tool, turn the dial to the right. 1 represents 1 second, so 0.8 would represent 800 milliseconds. If the RCD ever trips out, all you would need to do is press the reset button to reset the RCD. This concludes the tutorial on how to change an RCD on the Ingenium LX. If you have any further questions, please speak to a member of our technical team. Thank you.